I have a question for you today. Do you want to be a quick learner? Do you want to be known as a sharp and intelligent person? Yes, of course. Everybody wants to do that. इसका आंसर तो बड़ा obvious है. All of you should be very eager to be a fast learner and known to be an intelligent person. But then, how do you become one? How can you be a quick learner? How can you be known to be an intelligent person who's able to grasp very fast? उसके लिए I like to share some fast learning techniques with you. ये जो technique है, ये process है which I'll be quickly discussing with you, which you must try and practice to become an intelligent person and a quick learner. First of all, whenever you're doing something, take a deep breath and relax your mind. So अपने mind को बिल्कुल relax कर लीजिए. You may shut your eyes for a few seconds. Take a deep breath so that you know where and why you are. आप कहाँ हो, क्या करना चाह रहे हो. Come to the present, right? Next is, mind is a very active person. Mind is a very active substance. हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सोचता रहता है, हमेशा उसके अंदर आइडियाज आते रहते हैं. और जब आप पढ़ना शुरू करते हो तब तो सबसे ज्यादा ब्रिलियंट आइडियाज आते हैं. Your mind becomes more fertile than Newton's mind or even Einstein's mind. So उसको उस टाइम जो आइडियाज आपको आते हैं, you want to know कैसे आइडियाज आते हैं? एग्जाम्स के बाद मेरे को कोई स्पोर्ट्स परस्यू करना है, मुझे फिटनेस करनी है, मुझे जिम जाना है, बहुत आइडियाज आएंगे आपको. फ्रेंड्स बनाने हैं, प्रपोज करना है अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को या बॉयफ्रेंड को, ऐसे बहुत ब्रिलियंट आइडियाज आएंगे आपको. शट डाउन ऑल दीज आइडियाज, थ्रो देम आउट ऑफ योर माइंड, टेल देम वेट, विल कम बैक टू दीज आइडियाज, दीज प्रोग्राम्स सब एग्जाम्स के बाद आएंगे या इस काम को करने के बाद आएंगे. रिमूव देम फ्रॉम योर माइंड ऑल टुगेदर. नाउ इसके बाद नेक्स्ट इज, first of all, have self-belief that you are intelligent, you are sharp, and you can do it. Second thing is, train yourself and challenge yourself that I'm going to do this particular job in a quick manner. एक chapter है, I have to do it in 15 minutes. I have to quickly go through it and finish it off in whatever time I have. And एक बार ये सब आपने train और challenge कर दिया अपने आप को, and अपने mind को relax कर लिया, now focus and concentrate on the subject which you want to learn quickly. So this is very important. उस time सब distractions भूल के focus on the subject. Just understand whatever you are doing and try to grasp it fast. It may not happen some of the time. कभी आपको कोशिश करोगे लेकिन फिर भी नहीं हो रहा होगा. Don't try to stress yourself at that point of time. Leave it. Take a break. छोड़ दो उसको 5 मिनट के लिए, 10 मिनट के लिए, 15 मिनट के लिए एक ब्रेक ले लो. Move out of it. बुक लेके मत बैठे रहो. Don't sit with that particular work. Leave it and get out from that particular thing and then come back again and try this process again. I can guarantee you'll be a quick learner, you'll know how to learn things fast, and you'll be known as an intelligent and a sharp person. Wish you all the best. Thank you.